In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change brightness on your Kobo Libra 2. So in order to do that, we'll need to press on this sun icon on our screen. So now let's move to the home and then on this sun. From here, you'll be able to adjust the brightness with the slider. So you can pick whichever brightness you prefer. You can also turn on or off auto natural light, and you can change the setting for the orange color like that. You can set the bedtime for a specific time, which some of the settings might change when the time hits. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.